At the start, a quick reminder that the link to purchase the HUO JI-E-Yooso creamy mechanical keyboard at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below. This keyboard offers an impressive blend of compact design and high functionality, making it an excellent choice for both gamers and professionals who want a reliable and customizable mechanical keyboard. The HUO JI-E-Yooso features a 99-key, 96 layout, which significantly reduces the keyboard's footprint to 39 by 13.5 by 4 centimeters. This compact size saves desk space without sacrificing essential keys, striking a great balance between portability and usability. It connects via a detachable USB-C to USB-A cable, allowing for easy setup and cable management. One of the standout features is the hot-swappable PCB, which lets users easily replace switches without soldering. This is perfect for those who like to customize their typing experience or want to upgrade switches over time. The keyboard comes equipped with pre-lubed linear switches, delivering a smooth, quiet, and responsive keystroke that's ideal for both typing and gaming. The build quality is enhanced by a gasket-mounted structure combined with 4 layers of sound-absorbing foam and a silicone dampener pad. This thoughtful design reduces noise by approximately 40 and eliminates hollow sounds by 80, resulting in a creamy, natural, and pleasant typing sound that won't disturb others. RGB backlighting adds a visual flair with customizable lighting effects that complement gaming setups or workstations. The keyboard supports full anti-ghosting and in-key rollover, ensuring every key press is registered accurately even during intense gaming sessions. Pros: compact yet fully functional 99-key layout. Hot-swappable switches for easy customization. Pre-lubed linear switches offer smooth and quiet typing. Gasket structure with sound-dampening foam significantly reduces noise. Detachable USB-C cable for convenient connectivity. Vibrant RGB backlighting enhances aesthetics. Full anti-ghosting and in-key rollover for reliable performance. Cons: the 96 layout might require some adjustment for users accustomed to full-size keyboards. Limited availability of switch types out of the box. Only pre-lubed linear switches included. Overall, the HUO JI-E-Yooso creamy mechanical keyboard is a thoughtfully designed, feature-rich keyboard that caters well to gamers and typists seeking a quieter, customizable, and compact mechanical keyboard. Don't forget, the link to grab this keyboard at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below, so be sure to check it out.